Hello and welcome. I'm so excited. I'm going to be talking about this amazing makeup that I have found that it's going to make your life so much easier, honestly. As a makeup artist, I haul around tons of makeup all the time, and sometimes it can get so annoying and having to re-buy palettes of makeup because you are missing one that is empty. So what is so amazing about this makeup is you can buy the makeup individually. You only order what you need, and when you're running out, you just replace the one item, which is so fantastic, and it's all magnetic, and it's just going to go into a compact of your size. They have a million different sizes. They have a bigger size that's a double. You've got your powders and your creams, or they have a smaller size that's a double, or they even have even smaller. So depending on what you are needing, they have a size for it, but you can have literally everything in one compact. That was my dog. Tank, stop. So, my entire face that I've done here for you comes from this one compact. So, wouldn't you love to have your makeup combined into one compact, easy to travel with, easy and compact at your home to do your entire face? So let's get going. I'm going to show you my makeup tips on how I did this makeup look, all from one compact. So let's get started. This is what I'm gonna do on my face. They have a setting spray that I completely love. I spray it on my face before I start my makeup, and then I will set it to get all the foundation in place. So now I've got all my light on. I'm gonna go in with olive and shadow. I'm mixing them together. And you're gonna put in your contour. And that's what's so great. Everything is in one step. You're gonna do your highlight, your contour, everything, and then you're gonna blend it together. So it's gonna look a little scary before it looks better. Just like any makeup, right? So you're gonna look at this and go, scary. Okay, now you're gonna go in with your Perfector Sponge, just like a beauty blender, but it's cheaper than a beauty blender, which is amazing. So you're gonna go in, it's slightly damp. Remember to make sure that these are slightly damp. You don't wanna go in with it dry. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna press all this in and blend it together. on my lips, and Desert Sunset, which obviously you can tell I love Desert Sunset. The tin is empty, and I have a new one coming this next week.